Have you ever wondered why there are some products that go viral and make millions of dollars during the Christmas season while others that you thought would do well just flopped? We have. We've analyzed millions of signals and we've made a lot of correct predictions in the past. So these are going to be the easiest products to sell this Christmas season. So if you're looking for the perfect product to drop ship, to market, or just to buy for somebody in your life, this video is for you. First up is the Cervical Cooling Pillow. It's a pillow that helps keep you cool and gets rid of your neck pain. Let's analyze an ad that's selling this product really well so that you can do the same right now. At a high level, this ad is connecting with people who have neck pain and offering them a solution, this pillow that can keep you cool, get rid of your pain. It's also showing you why the solution you have right now is not a good one. So let's break this down to see exactly how you can sell it yourself and make some money this Christmas. The ad starts with her asking the audience if they suffer from neck pain. Now, since this is something that hundreds of millions of people suffer from, it's a pretty safe bet that the hook is going to connect with most people who see it. She then talks about how your existing pillow is the reason that you have all this neck pain. She's showing you the problem in your life so that you can fix it. She then pulls out the box with her new pillow and does this little unboxing video on camera. She also says, "I was recommended to try," which tells us it's personal, it's a trusted recommendation. And she tells you how the pillow solves a problem and even says it feels like a hug for your neck. So these little analogies, these visualizations really help the viewer to imagine what it would be like for them if they bought the product. Now, one of the most important lines she says is close to the end. She says, "I can say from experience that it works." We're already assuming she tried the product, but her saying it actually does make a huge difference. So how do we know this one is on its way to exploding? It's already making over $285,000 every single month on Amazon, selling more than 4,700 units monthly. A very small amount of people are searching for this every month, and that number of people is growing by 7,000%. The pillow itself is under $50, and it looks pretty easy to ship, which is great for dropshippers. If you do want to sell this product, here are the demographics that I would target: office workers, people who work from home, and athletes. All right, next up is the Glass Skincare Set, which is basically a set of skincare products designed to help people achieve that smooth, radiant, dewy glass skin effect popularized by K-Beauty. Something like this is a great Christmas gift for a lot of people because most people have skin. Just kidding. Let's talk about why by analyzing an ad that's already moving units. So first impressions. This video is showing you how easy it is to get high quality, effective skincare by ordering pre-made skincare bundles. And how are they hooking the audience? Is it before and after, a big reveal, problem solution? Let's break this ad down. By showing this handsome guy with great skin, there are two effects. One, it implies that your audience is going to have equally radiant skin by using this product. Two, it reinforces the idea that no matter how new they are to skincare, can just follow this routine. I mean, just look at the way he washes his face after the instructions say to gently massage the face. Can you spot the difference? Also, by showing all these products in the package, he shows you how convenient it is to order in this pack. It comes in one small box straight to your house, no searching for different products in different places. And better yet, it costs a lot less than buying all these products separately. So let's take a look at the numbers. This skincare set is making $205,000 on Amazon every single month, selling more than 10,000 units. Under 100 people are searching for this specific one monthly, but that number of people has grown 8,400% in the last 2 years. The set costs around $30. It fits in a small box, so it's super convenient for both the seller and the buyer. So these are the demographics that you're going to want to target if you sell this product. You got skincare lovers, beginners to skincare, and anybody interested in K-Beauty. You can probably guess what Enamel-Safe Whitening Strips are. Thin adhesive strips that are coated with this gentle whitening gel designed to remove stains from your teeth without damaging your teeth or gums. Now, a lot of people's teeth are too sensitive for whitening strips, but everybody wants to be confident in their smile. And although this might be a passive-aggressive Christmas gift for somebody else, it is the perfect one to buy for yourself. But also, who doesn't love a passive-aggressive gift? So let's look at another ad that's selling this product so you can do the same thing by taking away the most important things that they do. All right, at a basic level, let's look at what this ad is accomplishing. My immediate impression when I see this video, this is a professional. He's a dentist. His name is Ben. We all know that all Bens are professionals who developed a more effective and less abrasive teeth whitening strip. So how are they hooking the audience? Immediately, he presents himself as a figure of authority. He's dressed like a dentist and there are water flossers in the background. He knows his stuff. He starts this video with this really ambitious hook that he changed whitening forever. Then he immediately tells you how much better his product is than the competitors. It works better, it's less damaging. He mentions the innovative technology in the product design, that the strips are adjustable to your teeth and stick better to them. And most importantly, he used himself to test it. He shows that he really believes in this product, and he shows the visible results in the video after just 1 week of the treatment. Finally, he mentions that the strips have different flavors, which is fun, and he pushes people to try these different flavors. If you've tried whitening strips before, you know that they make your teeth sensitive and they taste disgusting. It feels like spraying bleach directly into your mouth. Maybe that was just me. Still, it's an unpleasant experience. By adding these flavors, making it more enamel safe, he's removing these barriers that would previously have stopped people from buying them. Now, why do I see this product becoming a huge trend regardless of the holidays? These whitening strips are making over 500 grand per month on Amazon. On average, nearly 20,000 units are sold monthly. People are only searching for these around 400 times per month, but that number of searches has grown 99x over the past 2 years. They're pretty cheap, averaging $20, which is a good price for something you'll buy recurrently. They're light, they're easy to ship, they're perfect for small e-commerce brands, and also consider that the previous whitening strips you would get at, CVS, Target, whatever, were a lot more expensive than that. Who you're going to be selling this to, right? The younger audience primarily, younger, budget-conscious professionals, and especially the tea and coffee drinking crowd. Product number 4 is the Padel Bag. It's a specialized sports bag designed to carry paddle rackets, balls, shoes, and gear in an organized and protected way. It's a perfect Christmas gift. Specialized hobby sports bags are not a necessity for said hobby sport, but are super useful. I remember my sister bought my wife a knitting bag that she now uses all the time. And Christmas this year is going to be the year of accessories. So let's look at an ad that's selling well so that you can take away the most important aspects of this ad to use for your own. So at a basic level, what's this ad accomplishing? This is not the only bag that paddle champion Fernando Belasteguin, known as Bella, uses, but it's a collaboration between him and the brand Wilson. He's a spokesperson for the line and helped Wilson design it. It tells you right away that there's social proof, that there is expertise behind the product. So let's think about what makes this ad effective. By showing him using his collection paddle bag during a major competition, it shows that he really believes in the product. And if it's good enough for him, it's got to be good enough for you. At the same time, we're seeing the bag in action. Got different practical compartments, including one to hold the rackets, which is the reason for the design of the bag, and how spacious it is, fitting in pieces of clothing, for example. So by seeing what he carries in his bag, we also humanize him, who doesn't have a sweaty shirt in their workout bag. He's just like you. Obviously, not everybody's brand is going to be able to get a massive celebrity spokesperson like that, but anybody with a devoted following of 10K or more followers who is a somewhat well-known figure in their niche sport is going to be a good fit for whatever accessory you're selling. So let's look at how we know this product is selling. They're making right now around $6,000 a month on Amazon, selling just under a couple hundred units a month, but that number is set to grow. They're already being searched for about 12,000 times a month, and that number has grown 5,500% in the last 2 years alone. It costs around $60, which is not too much considering it's specialized sports equipment. It's not going to be super heavy or expensive to ship either. For the demographics you're going to sell to, you got paddle players, you got sports enthusiasts, or the families of those people, because they're the ones who are going to be gifting this to somebody else. We've got a lot more products to sell this holiday season. If you want to sell any product in a specific niche for Christmas or for any holiday this season, drop that niche in the comments. I will give you a trending product to sell totally free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.